Leave it. No! You're so annoying. You're so annoying. Come here. Stop eating stuffing. Stop eating stuffing. Come here. Stop. Quickly while I do my makeup. This is such a bad angle. How am I gonna do this? I haven't YouTubed in so long. Is that gonna work? I'm too short for anything. When I say I'm too short, I actually mean it. I'm 4'11". I don't think any of y'all understand how... If y'all see my nose ring change from side to side or my mole change from side to side, it's because I'm insecure. And I only like my face when it's mirrored. Okay? So that's that. The second thing I wanted to say is this video fluctuates between boring and interesting. So bear with me. I'm trying to find the best way to milk my personality so that it's interesting for you guys.
I'm trying. I'm fucking trying. I've only been doing this for 2 fucking days.
Okay. The second thing that I wanted to say is I have 2 goals coming out of restarting my YouTube channel. I want to have merch. That is one of the things on my 17-year-old bucket list that I want to do. So in the next 6 to 7 months, 7 months, if I can make merch, I would be so happy. And the next thing is I actually really want to start a podcast. I feel like I like the way that I speak and the things that I say more than the way that I act and the things that I do. But yeah, I feel like there's so much more for me to say on a podcast and like dive deep than me just doing random things on YouTube. Like, I think I'm interesting, but I don't think a lot of other people think that I'm interesting. Okay, so on my list today, I have English CPT. Don't look at my closet, it's gross. I have English CPT. I have planning for my Model UN. Your girl finally got to start a Model UN at her school. Aren't you proud of me? You're proud of me. I know you are.
1 hour later.
I have to write a caption for one of my next posts on my Instagram. And then I have to go grocery shopping and driving with my mom. I don't have to, but like the thing is, I don't like eating breakfast. So the only way that I will eat breakfast if I meal prep, and we don't have anything for meal prep and breakfast right now. And I'm trying to get myself together this week because starting next week, I have 2 classes a day instead of 1 spare and 1 class. So my days are gonna be like 7:40 all the way to 7 o'clock at night, maybe 8, depending on the day. Sometimes it's 9. I am super busy and I decided to restart my YouTube channel, which is okay.
চাবি কই?
I have it.
তো লাগাও। এটা কি? চলো না, এগুলো ড্রাইভিং এ রেখে দাও, পড়ে যাবে এক্ষুনি। এটা
ধরো।
ya miliyoni 44 eza dola amasuuti olowooza gano ga
This is for Hershey. We're almost done our last bottle. Just making sure it has no xylitol in it. Excuse me, sir. You're not allowed up here. Come on. Let's go. Come on. Can you believe it is 6:45 and the sun went down at 6 p.m.?
Disgusting!
I just finished editing a vlog. It's of my sister and I getting our ears pierced and us and our family going to a wedding. However, the footage is absolutely mediocre. So it makes this so aggravating. Like, I always miss great opportunities to vlog because I don't like being on my phone. Or, it's not that I don't like being on my phone, it's just like, there's so much insecurity behind making YouTube videos that I forget to, you know, take videos. I don't even forget, like deliberately, like I just self-sabotage all the time. Amazing stuff. Vegan mozzarella is extremely bland, so I have to crack sea salt onto the grilled cheese. Did he bark? Wow, that came out so perfectly.